Good day everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're making potato salad. Creamy, soft, and absolutely irresistible. See the video description for the full list of ingredients. We'll start with 3 eggs. Place them in cold water before turning on the heat. This helps prevent cracking. Bring the water to a boil over medium heat and cook for 12 minutes. Once done, transfer the eggs into ice cold water. Next, we need 4 potatoes, about 1.5 pounds or 600 grams. Wash them well and boil for about 30 minutes. Use a knife or toothpick to test doneness. If it slides in easily, they're ready. Once cooked, peel the skin, set aside to cool, and let them firm up. This makes them easier to cut into the cubes later. Chop 2 celery sticks into small pieces for crunch and color. Mince half a sweet onion. Chop 3 small dill pickles. These will give that classic tang and slight bitterness we all love in potato salad. Celery was once considered a luxury food in Europe during the 1600s. Only the wealthy could afford it. Now that the potatoes are cooled, cut them into cubes. Chop the boiled eggs into small pieces. Slice 1 stalk of green onion, only the green part. In a small bowl, combine all the prep ingredients. In another small bowl, whisk together 3/4 cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, half tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of dill pickle juice, half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of yellow mustard. Mix well, then add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Give it a final stir. Mayonnaise was invented in the 1756 by a French chef in Spain. He originally called it Mayonnaise after the town of Mayonnaise. Now gently pour the dressing into the potato mixture and toss until everything is slightly coated. You can serve it right away or refrigerate for 30 minutes to let the flavor soak in. For the best result, let it chill overnight. Trust me, it's even tastier the next day. And there you have it, homemade potato salad. Creamy, tangy, and perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling me your favorite way to enjoy potato salad. And of course, subscribe for more fun and tasty recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.